For once again with this headband on, I welcome you on my YouTube channel. Hey guys, it's Barb. Thank you so much for watching. In today's video, we're gonna do the best no-makeup makeup look. It's one of my favorite makeup looks ever. And to be honest, this is kind of my everyday makeup look because on a daily basis I don't really like to wear makeup. But of course I also have these days where I want to look more awake and more presentable. I'm sure you can understand what I mean. So yeah, let's start with the makeup. So guys, before I start with the makeup, I want to say I'm very sorry if you can hear the dogs barking. I have my window open so I can have a better lighting. But yeah, hopefully the dogs won't ruin my video. So the key for this makeup look is to prepare the skin very well. We won't put many products on our face, so we want our skin to look very healthy and fresh and glowy, and you can only achieve that with a good preparation. Okay, so let's start with the skin. I've been doing a treatment for my skin the past 5 months, so the only products that I can use right now are the ones that my dermatologist recommended. So my dermatologist says that less is more, so I don't use many products. I start with this moisturizer. It's called Steel. Acne Steel Attiva is an Italian brand. So we start with the moisturizer. Once I'm done with the treatment, I'll be able to use any product I want. So I can't wait. The next thing I'm going to use is this eye cream. It's the Medipil. It's Eye Hyaluronic Volume Eye Cream. And last but not least, I will use sunscreen. Okay guys, and now we start with the fun part. So as you can see, my face is quite pale and the rest of my body is quite tan. That's because I have self-tan on. So in different circumstances, if my face was tan, I wouldn't use foundation. You don't need to use foundation for this makeup look, but just because I don't want to have this big difference with my neck, I will just use a little bit. Okay, I mixed 2 dots of the foundation with my moisturizer. As you can see, I put the tiniest amount. You can't even tell that I have foundation on. I just want to mix it with my neck and have some color so I don't look that pale. Like I said, you don't need to use foundation, you don't need to do this step, so you can skip this part. You can start your makeup from now. So the next thing I'm going to use, or the first for you, is to use concealer. I will use a little bit under my eyes, a little bit around my nose like always, and here next to the lips to make our face more sculpted. So the next thing I'm going to do is to contour my face. I'm using this concealer. It's the Sephora Best Skin Ever. I bought it in a dark shade, so I can use it as a liquid bronzer. And it works perfectly. I tried it in my last video and the results were amazing. For this no-makeup makeup look, I think it's better to use liquid products instead of powder products, because liquid products are very easy to blend and I think they look more natural on the skin. The color of this concealer, I think it's unbelievable. The next thing is to brush my eyebrows. I just brush them upwards. If you watch my makeup videos, you know the drill with my eyebrows. You see, with the liquid products, the skin looks still very glowy. You can't have a no-makeup makeup look without liquid blush, and this is what I'm about to do next. This liquid blush, it's the Rare Beauty. It's too pigmented, so you have to be very careful. It's very blendable, but still you need to be careful with the amount. Oh my god, the sun goes down, the lighting will be gone. In a few minutes, I will use the tiniest amount of powder. So I will take a brush, I will only set the area under my eyes, because I put concealer and I don't want it to crease. You can even tell that I have mascara on, but my eyelashes look more curled. Okay guys, and last but not least, we have the lips, and I will do my favorite combination that I shared with you on my last video. We have the lip liner by NYX Suede in the shade Los Angeles, and we also have the Laneige Lip Sleepy Mask. You guys, so I've tried to fix my hair a little bit, and also I turned on my lighting because the sun went down and the lighting sucks right now. So hopefully you can see me better now with the lighting. So guys, this is the final result of the makeup. So guys, that was the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you come this far, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Write me in the comments below if you like this video and what you want to see next. You can also follow me on Instagram and on TikTok, and I will hopefully see you in my next video.